So I know what you're saying. Carolyn, you did that whole video, but you talked about Promise, but you never showed Promise. I knew what you were thinking. It's like Dirty Harry. Okay, did you fire 5 shots or 6? Well, let's go see. We're going to go look at Promise. There she is. Hold on. Stay tuned.
Live your life within the moment. And don't go wait until the morning. All that I know is we'll get older. So let us dance this night away. And we'll dance the night.
Marsha's got her farming clothes on. She's like, don't you dare show my in these farming clothes.
Get close up of the sunflowers.
Sunflowers. Hello, Promise. Promise is, hi, getting some sunshine. Is she friendly?
Yeah. She just likes a treat.
Oh, I don't have a treat for her.
Yeah, just let her sniff you.
Look at her little goat beard.
Yes.
Girl, you need a wax job. Pretty coloring she has. How old is she?
She's a cow, 8.
8. Hey,
She's
Promise.
pretty. Put your hand down and say, yeah, she's a pretty baby.
Did you get your greens today?
She's getting them. She's eating all those weeds. Yes, you are.
You're slacking off though, Promise, because the grass is getting long in your pen. You're slacking off, girlfriend. You need to go over there and eat more grass.
You want a picture of you and her?
No. Oh, I don't think so. I got to get too close to her, though. She's big.
Yes.
Promise.
She's a pretty girl.
Hey, you talking to me? You talking to me? She said, don't bother me. I'm eating. Promise. You must be hungry eating all those greens. Now she's doing her job. She got pissed off because I told her she was slacking off. She says, I got to go to work, RV Rebel Girl. Don't bother me. I'm working. Thank you. All right. So I'm showing my friend Marcia how the old farmer's wife, Barb, makes ghee. Makes butter and then ghee. We didn't do it from raw milk, but we did it from, we didn't use the cream from raw milk because we can't get raw milk here just anywhere. So we used made the butter from cream. And we're gonna try to make our own ghee here, just like Barb taught me, and hope that I don't miss anything, Barb. I hope I got all the water out of there. It looks good consistency though. I can see though the clear over here. I bet it's almost done because look at.
How much has to go clear? Do you know?
It all went clear except for a little bit on the top. I think it was a little on the top. Okay, we're pouring it all in there. We got the clear butter. Okay, we're gonna taste that stuff on the bottom. Barb had me taste it at her house. Yum, yum. And let's see. We didn't make that much because we just wanted to try it for the first time. So we've got ghee. Well, we hope we do. We'll see what it looks like when it solidifies. Is that what you call it? check out Panda. Hope she doesn't move. We're cooking and look at Panda. Panda, what are you doing? What are you doing in there? What you doing in there? Put some ghee with garlic mixed in it and spread it on this keto bread toast. This keto bread, 0 carbs. It's 10 grams of carbs and 10 grams of fiber, which make it 0. And there's no sugar. And I did put some of Marsha's homemade salsa with the tomatoes from her garden on it over the garlic and the garlic ghee. Oh my God, it is so good. Yum, yum. Put it in the broiler. I toasted the bread first before I put it in the broiler. But here it is. We got a couple little jars here. We save about $5 or $6 making it ourselves.
Yeah.
And we finished and ended the night tonight by watching TV in bed. My little diva Danny, my best buddy and me. Have a great day and stay tuned for our next video.